are 30 minutes away from the start of Border Ultra 100 km. You can see the excitement, lot of people out here, and three different categories, 50, 100 and 161. In the morning I had a slide to wrap my racing jacket, started leaking, and then position clarity, so I'm carrying the bottles now. So we finished the Border Ultra 100 km roughly around 14 hours 10 minutes according to Garmin, awaiting the official result. Brutal. In just one word I can say brutal, and the toughest probably ultra I've run in my life. The race started at 12 o'clock. Scorching heat by 18 km, my entire skin got burnt. Two major goof-ups. One is that my hydration jacket started to leak just 1 hour before the run, and I was caught napping. I didn't know what to do. I had to buy those 500 ml bottles. I've always trained in the hydration jacket, so that was a huge setback for me, and I could not recover. It took me 3-4 kilometers to recover from the shock. Second major goof up happened at the 50 km mark, where my bag was not there. That bag contained my gels, my Garmin charger and my power bank. So that was not there at the 50 km. I spent 25 minutes searching for it, and then the organizers told me it will be available at the 60 km mark. So I spent 10 minutes there itself. So 35 minutes I lost there. If I had the hydration jacket, I would not have stopped at every station, every 10 km and refilled. So that cost me 12 minutes. But overall, in the last 80 km, I pressed the accelerator, and the last 10 I finished in 1 hour 10 minutes. So overall, a satisfying run, but it is a brutal. If anybody wants to transition into ultra, please don't try this one. It will melt your bones. It is going to test you to the ultimate limit. I mean, you will be even thinking, why did I join for this? Why did I enroll myself for this run?